Hi, good morning everyone. Today I am going to take the class for class 2 maths lesson number 6 calendar and time. Okay, so in that we finished calendar. Today we are going to take the time. So what is the meaning time? So time means how to tell the time. For example, I am asking you at what time you are going to the school. You are telling ma'am 8:15 ma'am. How you know that 8:15? Right? So that what we are going to learn in this class. Okay. So first, this is our clock. Okay. From this we are getting know about the time. So it is 4 parts like this. Okay. This is 12. This is 3. This is 6. And this is 9. In between that we are writing some numbers. Okay. So this is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this is our clock. In that clock, how we have 2 hands, like that our clock also have 2 hands. One is long hand and one is small hand. Okay. This is the center point. And one is long hand. What that long hand do? That long hand shows the minute. Okay. And short hand shows the hour. Okay. This is long hand. And this is short hand. So what that long hand will do? Long hand shows us minute. Short hand shows us the hour. Okay na? So how to do that? How to know about the hour and the clock? First we are going to learn about the hour. Okay. So first we have to know about how many minutes in the hour. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. How many minutes? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, now we are going to know how that clock show us hours. Okay, so today we are taking hour. What is that? Hour. Okay, so how our clock will shows that? So for example, I told you this is our clock. This is 4 parts are there. 12, 3, 6, 9, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. So this is our clock and we are now I am going to write the hands of the clock. Okay. I already told you. So longer hand shows minute. Always longer hand on the side of the 12 and the shorter hand on the side of the numbers. So now it is 8 o'clock. What is this? 8 o'clock. Okay. So like that, if longer hand shows 12 and shorter hand shows 4. What is this? Now the time is 4 o'clock. Okay. So like that, our longer hand shows 12 and our shorter hand shows 2. What is the time now? 2 o'clock. Okay. Like that we are doing. So now I am going to ask you one question. Now I will write the hands and you should tell me what is the time. Okay na? See, our longer hand shows 12. Our shorter hand shows 6. So what is the time now? Yes, it is 6 o'clock. Because longer hand shows 12 and shorter hand shows 6. This is 6 o'clock. For example, shorter hand shows 11. What is the time now? 11 o'clock. Now the time is 11 o'clock. Okay. So like that we are doing the hours. Okay na? So now we are moving to the ಹಾಫ್ ಅವರ್. ಇವಾಗ 1 hour ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಹಾಫ್ ಅವರ್, HALF, ಹಾಫ್ ಅವರ್, half hour. What is that half hour? For example, at what time you are coming to play? If somebody is asking you like that, you are telling 4:30 I will come. What is that 30? 30 is the half an hour. Okay? 30 is the half an hour. Every single division in 1 minute, when the longer hand is then 5 minutes have passed. When it covers, for example, this is our clock. Okay? 12, 3, 6, 9. Okay, na? So, our clock hands also there. Okay? So, what it will happen? For example, it shows, I told you hour. So, for example, our, okay, then 5 minutes have when the longer hand is off, then 5 minutes have passed. For example, longer hand will be here. Okay? And shorter hand, okay, longer hand is in the 6. Okay? And shorter hand is in between 1 and 2. What is the time now? So, 1 after it came. After 1, that shorter hand is there. So, it is the time now 1:30. 1 o'clock 30 minutes. Of 1 o'clock agogide. Adadmele 30 minutes agide. So, 1 past 30 minutes. Okay? 1 past 30 minutes is like that. So, like that only we are telling. If the shorter hand shows in between 9 and 10. What is the time now? 9:30. What is the time now? Now the time is 9:30. So like that we are telling half an hour. Shorter hand should be in between or passing the one time of 5 minutes also. We are taking it as 9. For example, if it passes 10, we are taking it as 10:30. If it passes 11, we take it as 11:30. If it passes 12, we call it as 12:30. If it passes 1 after, we call it as 1:30. If it passes 2, we call it as 2:30. So, if it passes 3, we call it as 3:30, 4:30, 5:30. Like that, if it is on the line 6, it is 6:30. Okay? Like that, we are telling the time. Thank you students. In next class, I will move for the quarter.